We keep a lot of gear in our bags, and the bags themselves can be worth hundreds. When your focus is on the shot, someone could take it all in a moment. That's where an Apple AirTag can help. An AirTag can track the location of any item, but they can also be used to stalk people. So to stop that happening, an AirTag will tell you it's travelling with you if it's not yours. Not so good if it's telling the thief it's there and giving them hints on how to find it. Luckily, there's a way to make it harder to find and increase the chances of them dumping your gear. We're going to remove the speaker so the tag can't give away its hiding place. First, press and give a twist to remove the battery cover, then tip out the battery. There are 3 tabs that hold the battery tray in: here, here, and here. Now with something sharp, push in between the outer white shell and the grey battery tray. Go carefully, you don't want to break the tabs holding it in. But if you do, you can always use a dab of glue when we're done. It's not the end of the world. Now the battery tray's out, we can see our target, the tiny speaker. There's nothing connecting it, so just pry it out. And that's it. Now you snap the battery tray back in, or glue it if you broke it with your sausage fingers. Put the battery back in, righting side up, and twist the cover back on. And now, does it still work? So it's showing up in the Find My app, but if you click the button to make it beep, crickets, nothing, silence. And just one last step to fully ninja this AirTag. Wrap it in black tape. It'll make it much harder to find in the depths of your camera bag.